Hello friends, today we'll discuss something about soft palate. Now we'll discuss the muscles of the soft palate. The names of the muscles of the soft palate are: first is levator villi palatini, second is tensor villi palatini, third is musculus uvuli, fourth is palatoglossus, and fifth is palatopharyngeus. The muscles of the soft palate plays a very crucial role in swallowing, in breathing, and help in production of the speech. It has three functions: swallowing, breathing, and production of sound. So there are total five muscles of the soft palate. In this short, we'll discuss the actions of these muscles. Okay, first is levator villi palatini. As the name suggests, levator, it is the main elevator of the soft palate. It is the main elevator of the soft palate. It helps in bringing the soft palate up and back. Now second is tensor villi palatini. It tenses the soft palate and helps in opening the eustachian tube. Okay, it helps in opening of the eustachian tube. Third is musculus uvuli. The action of this muscle is it elevates the uvula. It elevates the uvula. Fourth one is your palatoglossus. The word palato comes from the palate and the word glossus comes from the tongue. The action of this muscle is कि it brings the base of the tongue and the soft palate together. Palatoglossus. It brings the base of the tongue and the soft palate together. Now comes the palatopharyngeus. Now the palatopharyngeus, the action of this muscle it shortens the pharynx. It helps in shortening of pharynx. Now these are the actions of these five muscles of the soft palate. I am repeating the names of the muscles of the soft palate are tensor villi palatini, levator villi palatini, musculus uvuli, palatoglossus, and the palatopharyngeus. These are the five muscles of the soft palate. The actions of these muscles we have already discussed which is the main elevator of the soft palate, which muscle helps in elevating of the elevates the soft palate, which muscle helps in opening of the eustachian tube, and which muscle brings the base of the tongue and the soft palate together. Now these are the muscles. These play a very crucial role in swallowing, breathing, and help in production of sounds. So these muscles helps in swallowing, breathing, and help in production of sounds. So we'll discuss the nerve supply of the soft palate in the next shot.